So dulu macam saya cakap, saya pernah mula perniagaan dalam pen. And memang saya tak ada plan untuk besarkan ke bisnes tu, memang tak adalah. Memang masa tu memang goal is to sell the pens, to use it as capital to start a business. Bukan ice cream pun, tak tahu lagi nak buat bisnes apa masa tu kan. So masa tu terjual semua, jual kat student. And saya dulu ulang-alik naik LRT, MRT kan. So I would sell it to people yang kat situ juga. Sometimes made about 5,000 lah macam tu. So all that 5,000 saya put into R&D completely semua. And then the business took off sikit-sikit. And from the online business, in the first 3 months, I made my first 27,000.
Oh, 3 months?
In the first 3 months.
Wow.
So from there slowly, kita buatlah kitchen sikit. Saya in fact renovate one part of my house dulu tu untuk kitchen saya je. With the capital I made lah. Yeah. So it was renovated to become kitchen for me to make my small production. And hire lah staff sikit untuk tolong-tolong kan.